Rishi Kapoor, battled with cancer in 2018. He was diagnosed with cancer. He spent a year in New York being treated. I had the opportunity of meeting with him in the apartment in which he and Neetu Kapoor were staying as they went through their treatment therapy, and Neetu Kapoor by his side, virtually learning every medicine that he had to be given at different times of the day, being his strength, standing by him. And Rishi Kapoor, in a positive state of mind, had many jokes to crack even in those days. In fact, last August, around Independence Day, when we met with him in New York, he was somebody who had shied away from cameras for almost over a year and hadn't spoken to anybody, no journalists, no interviews given. And when I landed in New York, Rishi Kapoor just felt like talking, and he was somebody who he said wanted to engage with people from his country, and actually sat and said that, Navika, I'm ready for an interview. And we sat in the Central Park in New York and did that interview with Neetu Kapoor herself, who had been away from the ArcLight for many, many years. And they spoke about their fight and their brush with cancer, and how supportive family can play a role in fighting this battle. It's last September end when they came back to India. Well, 2020 has not been a year that has been conducive to any good news coming. We've had global bad news that's been coming right from the beginning of the year, from the beginning of the pandemic across the world, the lives that it has claimed, right down to Irfan Khan, who left us yesterday, running out of time. Today it's Rishi Kapoor. I personally am extremely disturbed about this news coming in, because he was somebody who epitomized the brave fight that he put up against the disease, absolutely in a positive frame of mind, watching news, coming up with his comments on various kinds of issues, totally engaged, totally looking at India and a country that he often talked about in terms of the various areas India's made a name, and the fame that it has given him and his family, and also spoke a lot about the fact that different things in India that needed to work, that needed to improve. And, today all of that comes to an end. Sometimes one wonders whether the disease has become better and mightier than the fight back that people can give it. This is devastating news coming in. The film world beginning to react now to this early morning breaking of news. Amitabh Bachchan mourns the death and the demise of Rishi Kapoor. He's not somebody who's ever going to be forgotten. One never has seen Rishi Kapoor without a smile. Always smiling, always full of life. His films, right from the beginning, from Mera Naam Joker, where it was his father's film, and he started as a child actor, and moving on to Bobby, making a debut with Dimple Kapadia in those days, a film that was an iconic film. It was a film that was an inflection point in teenage love stories. He became a household name from the success of Bobby, a film directed by his father, Raj Kapoor. What can one say about